This tutorial shows you how to choose which quick actions appear in your accessibility floating menu. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Accessibility. From there, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. At this point, tap on Assistant menu. In the next step, make sure the toggle at the top is turned on to enable the floating menu. Following this, tap on Menu Settings to see the full list of available actions and customize it. After that, tap on Select Assistant menu items and select the items you prefer. Once done, check the boxes next to the shortcuts you want to appear. Tap on plus, like Screenshot, Lock Screen, or Volume Controls. From here, uncheck any shortcuts you don't use often to keep the menu less cluttered. At this stage, drag and reorder the shortcuts if you'd like your most used ones to appear first. Keep in mind, having too many shortcuts enabled can make the floating menu feel crowded, so it's best to keep only the ones you actually use. Finally, tap the floating accessibility menu icon on your screen to confirm your customized shortcuts are showing correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize accessibility menu shortcuts on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.